G'day everyone! In this episode we're doing something a little bit different. We're at Lake Boga Caravan Park, but this time without the caravan. We're actually staying in a little studio cabin right on the water. Check out this view, it is awesome. Anyway, we're going to be exploring parts of Swan Hill, things like the Pioneer Settlement. We're also going to be exploring Lake Boga itself, of course. There's the Catalina Museum just up the road here. And we're even going to head over to Lake Tyrrell and check that out. But anyway, sit back and enjoy as we explore Lake Boga and Swan Hill.
You were stretching in the sun, t-shirt hanging off your shoulder. Every part of me went numb while I tried to keep composure. Then you pulled a little closer. It's gonna be a good day, no matter what comes my way. I'll be walking on sunshine, and it feels so right. Gonna have a good time, nothing's gonna break my stride. I'll be walking on sunshine, and it feels so right. We were sitting by the pool.
So Lake Tyrrell is about an hour from either Swan Hill or Lake Boga, and it actually is a really lovely spot, especially on a day like today. You get the really nice reflection. The water is like a mirror, and it's a really interesting landscape to come and have a look at.
It's gonna be a good day, no matter what comes my way. I'll be walking on sunshine, and it feels so right. Gonna have a good time, nothing's gonna break my stride. I'll be walking on sunshine, and it feels so right. So let's go play a song we know, feel it in our souls, under golden skies, you and I. So we wide open, blue skies, soft sunlight, feels like summertime. Summertime. On my lips, a song I sing with joy. In your hands, my life, it's yours. So alive, so free, I'm right where I'm supposed to be. Dancing in the middle of it, not holding back. I could be in the middle of nowhere, as long as you're right here. It's the best day, the best day, the best day.
The Lake Boga Flying Boat Museum holds more than 500 artefacts relating to Lake Boga's history associated with World War II, including the restored historic Catalina flying boat and the original secret communication bunker as a commemoration to the servicemen and women who served at No. 1 Flying Boat Repair Depot in Lake Boga, Victoria, from 1942 to 1947.
Middle of it, not holding back. I could be in the middle of nowhere, as long as you're right here. It's the best day, the best day, the best day. If every single day is the day the Lord has made, I'll never take a second for granted. He gives and he takes, I trust him either way. I'll never take a second for granted. If every single day is the day the Lord has made, I'll so free. So alive, so free, I'm right where I'm supposed to be. Dancing in the middle of it, not holding back. I could be in the middle of nowhere, as long as you're right here. It's the best day, the best day, the best day. It's the best day, the best day, the best day. In the middle of it.
Honey, nectar, maybe I'm a flavor collector. Sugar, lemon, syrup and a spoonful of cinnamon. Feeling kinda fuzzy as I'm buzzing on the edge of the breeze. Yeah, sipping through the garden like a madam and I'm looking for.
What did you think of the bunker, Antonio?
Yeah, the bunker's pretty good, and the museum itself is there's really a lot to see about the old Catalinas and part of Australia's World War II history. It's actually amazing how much this area played a part during World War II, especially in the Asia Pacific region. It's really amazing.
Oh, and look over here. We have Antonio off duty from filming and decides to ride. What is that? A little plane?
Yeah, it's not quite adult size, but
Yeah, Father Time and Mother Nature, fertilizers and pollinators, red and yellow and pink and white. I'm levitating into the sky. So many different frequencies, so that around from trees.
Our next spot we visit is the Swan Hill Pioneer Settlement, which is set on the banks of the Little Murray River. It's a replica of a port town back in the 19th century and has a large collection of working tractors and machinery, cottages, a working blacksmith shop, and can even take a ride on a horse and carriage and cruise the river aboard the historic PS Piap.
Giant Murray Cod was originally built for the movie 8 Ball, which was released in April 1992. It is 15 metres long and 5 metres high. Heartbeat of the Murray is a laser light spectacular at night at the Pioneer Settlement. Unfortunately, photography and videoing of the show is not allowed. If you like this video, make sure you hit like and subscribe and join us for our next one as we explore Australia.